In this video, we will go over the steps to replace damaged speed controller in the LoPro series air curtain. Ensure you follow the lockout tagout procedure before working on the air curtain. Firmly grip the speed dial and slide it from the speed switch shaft. Detach the cover plate by removing the two outermost screws. Remove the damaged speed switch by unscrewing the two inner screws and save the cover plate. Cut the cable ties to expose the speed switch wires. Cut the speed switch wires and discard the faulty switch. On the new speed switch, cut the wires to desired length. About 8 to 10 inch will be adequate. Strip the wire ends and connect to the loose wires inside the air curtain using wire nuts. Polarity doesn't matter, but match the wire colors if applicable. Ensure the ground wires are connected correctly. Use cable ties to secure the wires. Use electrical tape as required. Slide the dial off the new speed switch and align the cover plate on the switch shaft. Ensure the low speed setting port on the speed switch aligns with the small hole provided on the left side of the center hole in the cover plate. Flip the cover plate if needed. Replace the screws on the two inner mounting holes. Slightly hand tighten the screws. Gently push the wires back inside the air curtain cabinet and screw in the two outer mounting holes. Finally, slide the speed dial back on the speed switch shaft.